Wow, so we start off today's video with someone who has long waist length hair. And the stylist does a nice shoulder length bob. Beautifully done. This is a classic, simple, and chic hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more long to short hair transformations. So if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this pixie haircut for the last transformation. Beautiful bangs added in the front, nice baggy texture. Very nicely done. So then we move on to someone getting some layers. I love this red hair color that she has here. So beautiful. So she does have the curtain bangs with this look as well. And as you guys know, red is a very popular hair color trend for 2023. So next up we have someone getting a pixie cut refresh. She has this gorgeous platinum hair color. Beautiful beige blonde. And then we see someone with long, dark hair. And she decides to shake things up with this beautiful bob style. Very nice tousled bob. Then we have someone with a mullet haircut, baby bangs in the front. Another huge trend we're seeing in 2023. Very nice. And then here is the finished mullet style. Very rocker chic. And then we move on to someone who has hair just past their shoulders. And the stylist does a nice pixie bob here. Beautiful. Love the amount of volume that this has. Very nice. And then we have some color being added for the next transformation. Oh wow, look at this beautiful blue bob. Absolutely stunning. And then we have someone with long, dark hair. Beautiful, thick, wavy texture. She decides to switch things up with this cute bob style. Pop of blonde, or blue rather, going there in the front. Very nice. Wow, so the stylist is chopping off this long braid. This is a full transformation of the look. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.